In this video, we're going to show you how to study using Obsidian. Obsidian is a powerful note-taking and knowledge management tool that can help you organize information, connect ideas, and improve the way you learn. Whether you're studying for exams, learning a new skill, conducting research, or reviewing course materials, Obsidian provides several features that can make studying more effective. However, many students and lifelong learners simply collect notes without creating a system for reviewing and connecting information. As a result, important concepts can be forgotten, and study sessions may become less productive. The good news is that Obsidian provides simple tools that can help you organize study materials and make information easier to review and understand. By the end of this video, you'll learn a practical method for studying with Obsidian and building a more effective learning workflow. So, let's get started. The first step is to create separate notes for each topic or subject you want to study. Open Obsidian and create a new note for your lesson, chapter, concept, or course material. Use clear and descriptive titles so your notes are easy to identify later. Next, organize your notes into folders based on subjects, courses, or study areas. This helps keep your study materials structured and easy to navigate. As you take notes, use headings and bullet points to break information into smaller sections. This makes your notes easier to read and review. You can also create links between related notes by typing double square brackets and selecting another note. Linking notes helps connect ideas and build a network of knowledge throughout your vault. Next, consider adding tags and properties to categorize topics, difficulty levels, or study status. This makes it easier to locate specific notes when reviewing material. After creating your notes, schedule regular review sessions. Instead of simply rereading information, try summarizing concepts in your own words and reviewing linked notes to strengthen understanding. You can also use the graph view to visualize relationships between topics and identify areas that may need additional study. As your vault grows, these connections can help reinforce learning and improve information retention. In most situations, combining organized notes, links, tags, and reviews creates an effective study system. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, create organized notes for each topic or subject. Second, use folders, tags, and links to structure and connect information. And third, review your notes regularly to strengthen understanding and retention. Remember that effective studying is not just about collecting information, it's about organizing knowledge, creating connections between ideas, and reviewing material consistently over time. Using Obsidian's features can help make your study sessions more organized, productive, and efficient. This is especially useful for students, researchers, professionals, and anyone learning new information on a regular basis. Taking the time to build a structured study system today can lead to better understanding and long-term learning results in the future. And that's how to study using Obsidian. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Obsidian. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to help you get the most out of your digital tools. If there's another Obsidian feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.